Reason number 4 why you should not become a doctor. Residents are not considered employees. They lack the regular protection afforded to employees. Even though the ACGME regulates or tries to regulate the number of hours a week a resident should be working, this is rarely followed, particularly by the surgical programs. They will frequently basically threaten their residents. You have to lie when you submit your hours, because if you do not lie, we will know which one of you is submitting a high amount of hours as actual work hours. And it is a credible threat. You can be relieved of your position for any reason they deem they want to. Female residents that are pregnant do not get the same levels of protection, such as adequate time off, family leave, even lactation rooms. You do not get a prescribed 30-minute break in the day for lunch. In many cases, you could be operating the whole day, and it's the culture in your residency that at this level of residency, you're expected to do back-to-back surgeries, and you grab something to eat very quickly in between. And sometimes you don't get a chance for a bathroom break because you are working, seeing back-to-back consults, running from one end of the hospital to another end, seeing patients, seeing consults. And so the regular protections afforded employees of the hospital do not apply to you. And this also similarly means sometimes when you get harmed, you don't have these protections that employees of the hospital have, such as if you were to sustain a fall, or if you were to sustain an injury while being a resident. It is a zero-sum game. Until you graduate, you actually don't have any rights. You don't have any rights to complain about your work conditions. You can complain about them, but it will fall on flat ears. You will be labeled as a difficult resident, or you will be labeled as someone who is lazy. Once you have these labels stuck on you, it's very hard to get them to rub off. And it can impact given to you, the training, the amount of interaction you have with the attendings. All those things can impact your ability to graduate from that residency in a timely manner.